Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to add a watermark in PowerPoint quickly and easily. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and open the presentation where you want to add the watermark. Next, go to the View tab at the top, then click on Slide Master. This will make sure your watermark appears on every slide in the presentation. Now click on the first slide in the left-hand panel, which is the master slide. Any changes here will apply to all slides. Go to the Insert tab, click Pictures, and select this device to upload your watermark image or logo from your computer. Once inserted, right-click the picture and choose Send to Back so the watermark stays behind your content. To make it look subtle, go to the Picture Format tab, click Transparency, and adjust the level until the watermark looks clean but not distracting. Finally, click Close Master View. Your watermark is now applied to every slide in your presentation automatically. And that's it. You've successfully added a professional watermark in PowerPoint the easy way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.